Welcome to OSG's 60-second troubleshooting video. In many drilling situations, it is necessary to reduce the drill's feed rate. This is done to encourage better hole accuracy and chip shape, and also to stabilize cutting forces. But sometimes this can result in chips that are long, misshaped, and accordion-like. These bad chips are caused when the feed rate is less than the chamfer width of the drill. You can see in this chart how the chip shape changes as a result of feed rate and chamfer width. For the feed rates below the width of the chamfer, highlighted in the red boxes, the resultant chips are very inconsistent and poorly shaped. This can create bad surface finish and also make chip evacuation difficult. To prevent poor chip formation at slower feed rates, make sure to feed faster per revolution than the width of the chamfer. This will make for easier chip evacuation, better surface finish, and likely longer tool life. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.osgtool.com.